Hi guys, I am just like the other video. This is also 3 a.m. Stop. This is also 3 a.m. and I was again cooking. I'm trying to explain, and stop. I hit the wrong button again. Look at that. Alien face. That looks like an alien. Alright, we're gonna ask him some other questions again. Let's get into it. Alright, let's ask him some questions.
I want bread.
So, let's ask him some questions now. So, I'm gonna ask him some questions. Pooh?
What?
Pooh, do you like food? Oh, okay. Let's give Pooh some milk.
Broken.
Okay, then. Let's see if we make him dizzy. No, we can't make him dizzy. All right, let's go and drive. Let's drive. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's an alien driving the crazy road. This is not even a road. Like, he drives on the grass like it's nothing.
It's because I think this is his huge yard.
Man. Imagine this was someone's lawn and then they're like, hey! And I'm doing some cool tricks. I got them on camera. Imagine this road is infinite long. That would be really cool. Haha. Camera? Aw, I wanted to do an awesome camera moment.
The car is driving by itself.
Alright, let's go.
The car.
Let's go. I'm just gonna go super fast. I don't even care. Oh my gosh. Oh, whoa. The hamster went, I believe I can fly.
I love Pooh too.
Yeah, I love Pooh too. Imagine there was a third Pooh. That would be a Pooh. A Pooh. I believe I can fly. What?
A Pooh.
That's cool. Whee! Let's drive. Whee! Oh man. I was gonna do a cool. Cool. Wow, that would be 10 Poohs.
Yeah.
Whoa!
It's a food the 10 Poohs.
And imagine they were all green.
Yeah, and imagine a Pooh with 20 Poohs. They would all hack us at the same time.
20 Poohs would hack us. Oh my gosh.
100 Poohs.
100 Poohs.
1 million.
1 million?
Yeah, that's going to blow the game. That would take a lot of people from me.
Oh my gosh.
But anyways, guys, we have now 8 billion people on planet Earth.
That's so cool.
7 billion.
Alright, let's jump.
But I'm just happy we are 8 billion people on Earth now. I'm happy that there's more people coming in here on the planet Earth.
Gonna drive off a cliff. Oh my gosh. I was about to drive off a cliff. Whoa. Thank you. This is actually fun. And this is a really fun level you play. Whee, whee. Oh my god. In the face. Yeah, he hit his head on the ground. His left to the face. Hi, little alien creature. Yeah, I guess I'm your master now, I guess. But I thought you said that the other time we met, you said that you were a king and you didn't need anybody, but I guess not.
I want to king.
So you want to be a king, but also have a
man.
stop. You want to have a master, but also be a king? Okay then.